This should take me about 5 minutes, if that. Okay, so when I don't want to do the most for my makeup, but I do still want to look better than average, this is the makeup look that I do. First, I take my concealer, take the brighter one. This one's new, so I'm gonna twist it around a little bit. I'm going to put this in the corner of my eye, a little bit here, just to brighten things up, and a little bit here. I take my deeper one, and I put this all around here, underneath the eye, not a ton, and then I put it in the corners and around my mouth, and also a little bit above the lighter concealer that I just put in. Then I got my brush, what's this called, a fan. I wanted to get tacky. That is the key. I don't know if you can see. Then take my beauty blender, blend, blend, blend. This should take me about 5 minutes, if that. Beauteous. Then I grab my powder foundation, my pressed powder. And I don't need a ton, but I like to put it around this area. I don't go any higher than here. Grab my blush. I like to use cream because I think it looks more natural. Grab my beauty blender again, just to make sure there are no creases. Powder. Get some powder on here. I like it because of the angle. Put it on my hand just to even out the powder because I don't want a ton. I just want enough to set it and to brighten the concealer a little bit. And I like to go in with the One Size Powder Melt. And then the One Size Until Dawn. And just until it's mostly dry. Back with the beauty blender and really push that product into the face because I don't want it to move. And there you have it. I put on a little bit of mascara, eyeliner. I will put on some mascara, and I did end up doing a little bit of contour. Not a lot. There's the look.